Hello guys, how to create this nice effect. So let's start from beginning. I wrote here nature, go to character, I use nature beauty personal use font because it's cursive. So get the ellipse tool and draw one circle, holding shift, and press on it and hold alt and shift and drag to copy once. Select the first one, go to the eyedropper and color it with this gradient, and the second one with this gradient. So you can use any gradient you want, it doesn't matter, but I like those. Select both circles, go to object, blend, make. Then go again to object, blend option, make sure specified steps and 1000. Okay, then select nature and switch between stroke and fill and get the pencil tool, click twice and make sure all of these are checked. Okay, and then you have to write within these boundaries. So I'm gonna write okay, as you can see, I wrote it with no stopping. You should not stop or else it will not work. Just do it like as if it's one line. Okay, then select all of it, including the circles we drew. Go to object, blend, replace spine. Then go to effect, distort and transform, roughen, and put the size on about 18 and the detail about 55, and we're done.